So once you got your materials and shaders picked out, the next step is to start creating your texture maps. Now, Arc System's texturing can be separated into 5 steps: color planning, detail planning, UV mapping, albedo mapping, and AO mapping. But today we are covering color planning. Guilty Gear texture maps are decided based on color. Generally, all you have to do is try and keep things of the same color close together on the UV map. To do that, you need to know your character's color palette. A color palette is just a list of colors for your character. Generally, if you're doing anime, I recommend keeping it small, so try and keep it between 8 and 10 base colors. For example, if you include the skin and the lips, my character's entire palette is comprised of no more than 10 colors. And once you have the palette, generally what I would do is just create a separate material for each possible color on your character. Then I would go into edit mode and assign each color to the appropriate faces. And I would do this for the entire model. Remember, this is just the guideline. The final scheme will look a lot more detailed. And once you got the colors separated, I would also go ahead and separate them into different areas on your UV. For example, on this gun, I moved all the black areas to the left, the light gray areas to the top right, and the dark gray areas to the bottom right. It's fine if the areas don't fit perfectly. It's never gonna be perfect. Just try and do your best. Once you're done, you are ready for the next step, which I will show you in the next tutorial. Until then, hope that helps. And as always, hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you around.
Alright, so I'm logged in. I'm going to download this to make sure that I actually have it. Because as long as I have it, that's all that matters. There we go. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to is it Google? Yeah, here. And then we can copy image address. Go like that. Sweet. There's an anime palette. We got a bunch of anime palettes though. We'll obviously color palette background. Some of that's not even like fucking thing. Actually, wait. This is actually the palette that we want. Turn image into color palette. Oh, we can do a URL. Ah, it's not enough. So if I do 512 by 512, how many is that? So that's a lot of colors, right? And I want to fill up as much as I can. So I need to extract a large number of palette colors. Create natural palette from image. Extract. Into a large color palette. Maybe somebody will know. Okay, yeah, that's the right one. I'm just gonna refresh that. I don't know why I clicked away already. You know what? Fuck it. We're just gonna go with the one that I've got. The one that I initially grabbed here. It was that one. Actually, I don't think Clip Studio Paint's the right spot to do this, if I'm being honest. I think paint might be the way to go. Wow. Nope.
Here's how to create your own custom color palette for your comic in Clip Studio Paint. This works with Clip Studio Paint EX or Pro. Easy way is to go up here and click on this little wrench next to the standard color set, which will probably be what you're on. It's the default. And it's going to pop up all the color sets here. And these are the ones that come with Clip Studio.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Where is my color set? There it is. Ooh, excuse me. Ooh. This one actually might be the one to go with. Yeah. That hair color set has a lot of different colors on it. Let's do this one. What was I gonna do?
Sprite art in Clip Studio Paint. How do you do it? Let's learn it. First up, you gotta make a new canvas. I think it's easy to take that 1920 by 1080 res and just take out the zeros, 192 by 108. And then, even if you're worried about the size and you draw your 32-bit by 32 characters, and you're like, all right, you can just select it and then crop, and there you go. But I prefer making it on a big canvas, so then you can have a sprite sheet and draw all your characters side by side and keep ratios and proportions and stuff all good. Some technical things is that you're gonna want to take a pen and then duplicate it by right-clicking and duplicate it, then rename it Sprite. It's like a Sprite pen, and then this is important because I didn't notice this at first. But if you have your brush size at anything lower than 1, it's not really gonna draw that well. See, I'm moving my pen across the screen, but it's only drawing a pixel every.
Okay. So the dot pen?
Sprite art in Clip Studio, even if you're worried about the size and you draw your 30, you gotta make a new canvas. I think it's easy to take that 1920 by 1080 res and just take out the zeros, 192 by 108. And then, even if you're worried about the size and you draw your 32-bit by 32 characters, and you're like, all right, you can just select it and then crop, and there you go. But I prefer making it on a big canvas, so then you can have a sprite sheet and draw all your characters side by side and keep ratios and proportions and stuff all good. Some technical things is that you're gonna want to take a pen and then duplicate it by right-clicking and duplicate it, then rename it Sprite. It's like a Sprite pen, and then this is
I feel like it's the dot pen that he's using. So let's duplicate it.
because I didn't notice this at first. But if you have your brush size at anything lower than 1, it's not really.
Here we go. This is like all I was gonna do. I almost feel like I should probably be doing this as like multiples. All right, let's bring in the tablet here. The tablet. I feel like this is gonna go a little bit faster. So once I've got this all laid out, I can come back in here and I can move things about to try and get things a little bit nicer. I think I like this one. Yeah, it's got a bunch of different colors. These are like your blondes and whatnot. This is literally as close as I can get. Hmm. So how's everybody doing today? Anybody doing anything interesting for the long weekend? Long, long weekend. Do 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 do. I've officially lost track of where I am. Oh, there I am. Well, actually, while I'm doing this today, I'm gonna actually put on some music, I think. I may or may not be able to hear this music. Let's go home. Do, do, do. I think I'm gonna maybe start doing music quasi-regularly here. Okay. I don't know if you guys can hear this or not. Give me a moment. Give me a second here. Okay, you guys can hear it then. Oops. Now I can hear myself. Going back and forth here. All right, let's see if we can find some music. Dungeons and Dragons? Oh, I'm down. 7 hours? 9 hours? So let's do lo-fi. There we go. Now I can mute it when I need to on my side as well. Because there's a number of times when I don't actually want music. Look how tiny that is. This is a 512 by 512, right? Actually, I wonder if the DPI is fucking with it, if I'm being honest. Did I seriously put it? Oh, no. This will be. Oh, there it is. Holy shit. It's so tiny. It's too small. What the fuck? I just want to scale every pixel. Ugh. Damn it. It's 6. Wonder if there's a way to bring the... Can I bring the size of this up? No, you cannot. Interesting. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there we go. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, I bet I can mostly freehand this. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I did. Oh, that's kind of dope. I already gotten good at that. Some of these are going to be a bit harder. I think this one went a bit too far. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, that's right. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's not the way we're doing it forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This way is the fastest, I think, so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For anybody wondering, I'm listening to Pretzel Rocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, tonight I'm buying a new tablet. This tablet's fucking pissing me off. This nib is fucking shot already. I'm so disappointed in it. 1, 2, 3, 4. For anybody wondering, I'll share the tablet I'm gonna get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, I'm kind of on the fence. Maybe if anybody's out there who has an idea, I can bounce this off of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kind of on the fence. There's two tablets that I'm on the fence with. There's this one, which I'm thinking about getting. And then the And I think it's this one. I want to say the medium. But I'm actually kind of leaning towards the Huion, if I'm being honest. The Huion looks like it should be probably pretty good, and I'm pretty used to the Huion pen because it's what I used to be use. So I might do that because I'm so fed up with this one. The nibs fucking fail so fast. Like I have 3 replacement nibs, but I barely use this thing, and I've already ran through a nib. Like it's completely flat at this point. And I think it's starting to get into the way a little bit. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I almost wonder if 6 was not the right number. Should I have gone bigger? I think I'm gonna go 1 bigger. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yeah, I think that's the way to go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see, this is 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, there we go. Let's do there. Oops. This needs 1 more line. There we go. No, this all of this needs to be done 1 more time, I think. Yeah, that looks better. This is 2. This one's 3. 3. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, there we go. That's more like it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8's definitely the way to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually, I wonder if I can just do this. Oh, this is good.
It's like home, free home. While I going nowhere, he go. Kicking on the parallel, sneak on Takane. Shining in Marabel, clock of get a better ghost, is Ashka Mama Raid. You mess, that's no drop, gets the Jordan, has some romance, no talk, hack talker. 目で空に踊らさいこの下りのブレイクで飛ばすねそうでしょ影揺らしたよ風時計のないバリエーション笑い声が答え同じ空気で同じ周期で
So,
空と地球の境界線を眺め波打ち際の資源静かに引いて
how are the things? Let me know if the music's too loud. What are you working on? I'm making textures. For our game that I will show you in a second here. Everything's perfect. I'm so confused. Show you the game now. You might like it, you might not. And I can show you some stuff now. Oh, okay. Sweet. This is the game I'm working on. This is the name, the logo for the most part. Slight changes are coming to it, but other than that, it's mostly done. Gotta get the controller out, right? So this is my game. This is the kind of first level. Or this level is a work in progress. It's Shibuya Station, or Shibuya Crossing, in Japan. You can see all the people here walking around, and you can go like this. Overall, the controlling sounds good. Yeah, it's not bad. It's definitely not done, right? Like there's still work to be done, but I must finish this game. Yeah. New models are coming. This is going to be the truck that you're driving once this truck is being completed. It's being worked on right now, though. It's under active development at the moment. We're not 100. It's not set in stone exactly what it's going to look like, but for the most part, it is. As you can see in the top corner over here, to the left of the time, you can see that I have 34 targets left. These girls here are the target right now, and these are the pedestrians. You're not supposed to hit the pedestrians, but right now there's nothing stopping you or discouraging you from running over pedestrians at the moment. But it is there. We've got some basic physics for the wheels, so as you drive up on curbs, it rocks and the wheels go up and stuff like that. The shocks all work. I tried to give it a fairly decent acceleration so you can get some good speed here. But this map is also entirely broken. This is goal man. Yeah. So you approve? Yeah, I'm working on the city at the moment. I can potentially load up and show you kind of what we've got at the moment. Yes, I must finish this. Okay. So this is kind of like, other than this map is going to completely change because everything is wrong, and I lost this map. Like all the map data that was generating this is gone. So I can't edit it properly anymore. So I'm gonna have to remake it. Ooh, I've got to adjust that. We shouldn't be losing speed. But yes. And then so if I exit out of that, I put this to the side here so it's not in the way. And then I come over here. I can show you the map that we're working with at the moment, and I'm in the process of editing to get working properly. So there's the logo. While the map loads. And if you want to try and play the current alpha, you're welcome to. It's available on itch.io for free. And new alpha builds will be coming as I'm able to add content. So there's 3 of us working on this and 1 person that did the logo. Almost everybody that's working on this streams. One sec, I gotta move this music for myself here. There we go. So now I can't hear it. Twitch.tv, because it fucks with my head sometimes, like when I'm talking and stuff. So if I come over here, we can do Rem Toto. This guy here is going to be providing characters for the game. So he'll be doing the characters. Aku, he doesn't stream, but he is providing the vehicle. And then Hegel. I think that's right. No, it's 4, not 3. Sorry. Hegel did the logo. I don't think he saves his VODs though. He doesn't. So this guy did the logo. I'll give them shout outs specifically here. Toto. There we go. Rem is bad about streaming. Hegel streams Monday through Fridays. Yeah, once we're a little bit further along, I'll be posting it on Steam as well. The Steam version isn't going to be free, just FYI. The Steam version is going to be a paid version of it, but I'll probably be giving away a couple copies of it to community members. But we also don't plan on making it's not going to be an expensive game, so. Anyway, so how are you doing today? Oh, and there's one other person. Hopefully this Sunday we'll be doing some audio recording for audio stuff. God damn it. You have to wait for everything on this. Do, 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 do. Boo, do, 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 do. Thank you. Let me put the music back on for me so I can hear what you're hearing. Just gonna turn it down a bit for myself though. Here we go. I think I already did that color, right? Yeah. So, because we're going for a kind of anime look, the idea is going to be flat colors because they'll be moving fast anyways. So I don't want to add too much detail. So that's the idea, at least at the moment. So I'm going to try and play with that. But if we're doing just flat colors, I don't see a need to have like really complex where's my brain at? Like trim sheets and stuff like that. I might as well try it with the smallest trim sheet that I can think of. A 512 by 512 if you're going for flatter colors. So I'm going to try that. Because right now I've got actually a lot of details on the map. Let's see if it's loaded. The current map, it's not that I'm working on is not optimized yet, but this is what the new map looks like right now. It's a bit smaller at the moment, but the buildings are much more detailed. And this is the building that we're going to be working on right now. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Do, do, do. So how's your day been today? Let's Do, 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 do. Where did I leave? Oh, there I am. I did this initially as a bunch of 1 pixels, but then when I exported it, it was way too small to work with. So I'm redoing it to try and get things less fucky. Because, yeah, you know, I gone dumb fucked it up the first time. That's the same color. Swatchy? Yeah. This is how I think I'm gonna do the textures. I'm just gonna use a swatch. I'm sure that there's a better way to do this. I just don't know what it would be. If I'm being honest, I have no idea. But if everything is probably do it the same way, more or less. Okay, I'm not crazy then. What initially I was gonna do, and I wasn't able to do this, is I was gonna take a image and grab all the colors from the image and use that, because I've got I can work with a 512 by 512, right? Like, yeah, I thought that was the same color. There we go. Oh, that looks better. Okay, there it is. All right, so then if I export this, is PNG okay for this? Or should I do something else? Okay. Whew. You're switching to space engineers this month? Okay. Yeah, no worries. Okay, so now the rest of this needs to be one material. So I'm gonna start with this one, and we're gonna do new material. Oops. We're gonna do a Lambert, and we're gonna call this body. And then for this, we're gonna bring in a file. And the file will be I don't like how tiny this is. Oh, this had manifolds. Let's make sure that it's still okay. See anything bad? So what prompted the switch? Just ready to give it a break, I guess. Oh, there's some issues. Since we ended up wiping the server for 1.0 stable from the EXP build, people kind of got demotivated. We haven't played this engineer in a while though. Okay, that makes sense. And I gotta fix these manifolds. Here, manifold. Well, we found it. Oh, I don't have the game. I appreciate the offer though. Figuring out what you did with the in-game programming now. Oh, I don't know. I might not really do anything at all, to be honest. I'm going to be honest, I probably won't actually end up playing all that much 7 Days to Die, if I'm being realistic here. Love how they put it in, but I can't code to save my life. Oh, you'll get there. No, sorry, Maya. Find non. There we go. One. Okay, sweet. I think that's all the non-manifold stuff. I don't think there's anything else. These grates might be a thing, but we're gonna try and not have that be a thing. All right, have a good one. See you when you get back. Oh, those are interesting. Ah. So there's 4 right here. Where is here? Right there. Seriously, still? Oh, I see. Maybe something? Nope. Okay, I think that fixes everything. And then if we do this, merge just to make sure. Booyah! Now where the fuck is it? Oh, I gotta fix that. This top is hot garbage. Oh, cool. Cool. That didn't work at all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sweet. Okay. Okay, if I remember correctly, this is, yeah, this is just this. Okay, sweet edges. I want this to be a different color.
I saw it when I walked, boy.
There we go. Okay. It's so bad. Like actually really bad. There we go. That's better. Look how fucked up that looks. Hmm. Now, you go like this. No object with okay, there's the material, but if I go like this and then go UV shells here, and I move this down to say blue, we don't see any change. Which bothers me quite a bit. If I go this one here is maybe like a dark gray, right? And then we bring these ones here all up and about here. And just do this. There we go. Now, it might not want to show it to me, but if I go out to here, right, and go like this, let's go to select object, and then we do file, export selected. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm back and I'm being bad and eating a bunch of sugar, right? Hmm. Did I put this in shaders? That's a lot of... What the fuck is going on here? Hmm. There we go. Wait. Does everything have like 3 fucking materials on it? Hmm. There we go. I'm not getting anything on this. And look at all the materials here that are not supposed to be here. Actually, we should probably do Marmoset. Maybe substance is the way to go. I don't know. I'm not. I don't think I'm ready to fucking figure this one out. Well, at least we figured out what was wrong. Hmm. Hmm. That's not quite what I want. Oh,
Inside of Houdini. All right, so I've gone ahead and I've already taken a model of one of the individual acts of military characters. Now what I want to do is I want to import that FBX model, just so we can take a look at the most basic way to do this. So I'm going to come here to File, and we're going to import a Filmbox FBX. All right, and so this opens up the FBX import options right here. And now you have your standard options for FBX. You can import cameras, geometry, animation, materials, lights. So if you don't want any of those particular components of the FBX file, you can always check them off, right? So let's go and actually open up that file. So I put it on the desktop. We have our soldier model here. So I'm just going to select my FBX model, hit accept, and I'm going to leave everything at default for now. Okay, so I'm going to hit import. All right, and so if I hit spacebar G on the keyboard, it'll frame that selection. And there we go. We have our indie pixel soldier right here. All right, if I hit Shift W, I can turn on the wireframe. You can see it comes in all triangulated. All right, and what I want to do is have a subnetwork. All right, and this makes it so you can actually import, the rig. If you have a joint set up in this, all the skinning information will come here. If you've gone and turned off materials or animation, joints and skin, lights, cameras, it wouldn't import that. It wouldn't create this material node right here. Okay, so we cancel that out. Let's jump into this geometry node, and you can see that we have a file node, and it's literally just gone and imported the FBX down a file node. So in Houdini 17 and 17.5, you can now just type in file, and if I know that I'm just working with geometry and it's not rigged or anything, and I can go and select that FBX file, and there you go. Very cool. Work. All right, because what I want to do now is I want to walk you guys through the process. I'm going to call this a soldier model. All right, just give it. And that basically says, okay, we are different versions to all the game dev tools to do this manually here in just a bit. But I wanted to cover this particular node because it basically removes the need to create all these nodes ourselves. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to come up here, and I'm actually going to switch from the principled shader to our game dev PBR because all my textures are set up for PBR. And for the albedo, that's our base color. All right, so I'm going to hit this use texture checkbox.
ah. No, it should just take it, right? That's not what I want. So I do want the traditional material. Want to do a material network, right? And then we're gonna come back and
Checkbox. Very cool. Actually, and do a selection. Just up to this material. All right, so you can see now we've got our do a principal shader. We want to use the texture, and for the roughness, so in here, what I want to do is drop back up to our metallic roughness. All set up. Awesome. So let's say I wanted to go and do that manually. So what I want to do, I'm basically just going to be redoing what they've already provided us in this SOP quick material node. All right. I'm going to drop down a mat net. So I'm going to do a material network. All right. Very cool. And we're going to need one other node, and that's a material node, because we've got to hook that material network up to this material. All right. So you can see now we've got our Phong lighting all set and ready to go. So in here, what I want to do is drop down a principal shader. And let me do that one more time. So let's do a principal shader. And here, you'll find all those same values. All right, so we have our base color, but you can also go up to our textures and say for the base color, you want to use the texture, and for the roughness, you want to use the texture. Then the normal map is all the way over here. So you just enable that. So with that, we're good to go. So let's go and assign the albedo first, or base color. So let's go and select that principal shader, get to that principal shader. Up and out of our material network now. So I'm going to jump out, and let's make sure that we actually assign the material, that principal shader that's in. And let's hop up and out of our material network now. So I'm going to jump out, and let's make that. So with that, we're good to go. So let's go and assign the albedo first, or base color. Let's go and select our diffuse. And let's hop up and out of our material network now. So I'm going to jump out, and let's make sure that we actually assign the material, that principal shader that's inside this material network, to our material over here. So what I want to do is I want to go and find that. So I just go hit this little button.
Oh, that's why. This is like entirely broken. No wonder. I don't think that it got the I don't think it got the memo. Why is this not working? Yeah, I was right. It is all over the fucking place. Interesting. Even though in here it's not, right? What the fuck? That's not where I said they were. My UVs aren't saving. My UVs are wrong. So wrong. It's not exporting, is it? Is it because of the size of the UVs, maybe? Like that it just doesn't like the size? Oh wait, I forgot to replay the
button right here,
music.
and then navigate until we get to that musical chair. All right. And for some reason, every so often,
Oh,
I don't want
that's
to pick up
not what I
the capture,
wanted.
so I'm just gonna go and
That's what I wanted. What the fuck is going on here? Apologize. How's it go? How goes the game? Slow and steady. Just doing some work on it on the UVs right now. I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna see if this works. No, it's not that. Where is it? Oh, there it is. UV flatten. That's what we wanted. Oh, that's why my seams are wrong. Holy shit, it worked. Finally. Look at that. Mm. Actually, wait, maybe it's just, maybe I can just do this. Mm. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Actually, what if I just do this? Just give me a second here. It'd be fun because, like, at the end of the day, does it really matter as long as they're easy? Yeah, no, this is probably gonna be fine. Oh, okay. Never mind. Damn it. I'm gonna take a bit of a break. It's very warm in here, and I'm kind of really annoyed at the moment because things crashed. So I'm gonna take a break, and I will come back to this later. Anyways, we're gonna go raid somebody. And I'll see you all later. Ta ta for now.